So you've decided to install NASCAR Racing 2003. Awesome. And if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering, how do I make all those cool custom schemes that I see everyone else making? Like this one. Well, you are in luck, as in this video, I will be telling you and showing you what you need to do to make one of these custom designs. The first thing you're going to need is either Photoshop or GIMP. I personally recommend Photoshop, as in my opinion, it is a lot easier to use for making designs. Second thing you're going to need is a template. I'm, for this video, going to be using the 2016 Xfinity Series templates from Stun OD Racing. I really like this website. There is a lot of templates and other design stuff, as well as great mods for NASCAR Racing 2003. Only disadvantage, though, is that you have to sign up for an account on Stun OD Racing in order to download any of their stuff. But anyway, so you're going to download the template, whichever one you decide to get, and it's going to be in a zip folder, most likely. If it's not, well, then just export it to, or move it to wherever you want to keep your templates. But if it is in a zip file, you just want to extract it to somewhere. As an example, I have my Xfinity templates in a folder called Xfinity 2016-2017, and so I'm going to open up the template. And when you open up, you're going to be greeted with the design. Most of these layers here, you're not going to worry too much about. If you're using a Gen 6 template for one of the Gen 6 mods, there will be a layer where you can change the nameplate that either goes on the front or the back. I'm not going to mess with that because it's pretty self-explanatory. You go into the layer and you change the name or lettering, whatever you want to put there. But for most people, you're going to be using the base layer. If I take the paint tool, as you can see, it paints over the base of the car. I'm going to go ahead and finish painting over the car real quick. But as you can see, it doesn't change anything else, it just changes what the base color of the car is. Now, if you're going to put stuff on top, you do not need to worry about any of these other layers. You literally just need to go into wherever you have your logos at, or images that you want to put on the car. For instance, I'm going to put a Dr. Pepper logo on the car, and just move it over. Using Control T, we can change it. It's not exactly 90 degrees, but it'll work for this video. And as you can see, it just applies itself over the base layer. It does not interfere with any of the others. So I'm going to go ahead and finish making a quick little design for this car, and I will catch you when I am done with it. Alright, so I've gone ahead, made a quick little design, nothing special. But the next thing you're going to want to do is put everything into a group. You can do that by this little command, or little button down here called Create a New Group. And what you're going to want to do is just drag everything you have into the group. Once you have everything in the group, duplicate it, go to Transform, flip vertical, hold down the Shift key, and drag it to the other side. Now you're going to notice that it appears on the front bumper. But there is an easy fix. You go down into your group, you select the shape, or whatever layer it is, hit OK, and just paint over with the paintbrush tool wherever it overlaps. And just like that, you have the shape gone from the front bumper. Next thing you're going to want to do is, as you can see, the Xbox logo on this design is not going to look right if I were going to go into a render scene or in-game to view it, whereas it did with this, the number. All you have to do is fix that, find the layer that you have the shape on, edit, transform, flip horizontal. And you can put other stuff on the car, but this is the basics of how to make a design. Now, if you're going to export it into the game, you're going to want to save as, and you're going to want to save it as a targa or .tga file. So I'm going to call this test for video. Make sure you have the resolution set at 32 bits per pixel. And there you go. That's how you make a custom design in NASCAR Racing 2003. Or for NASCAR Racing 2003, sorry. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you enjoyed the video, please thumbs it up and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.